Namaste.
What's up, you guys? It's another episode of Beast from the East. I am, of course, your host, Zachary Chang. It's been a little bit of a while since I last uploaded. It's because, Zachary Chang ended up in a little bit of trouble. Had to pull a little bit of jail time. Met some cool homies. And I also had a heart attack. Most likely due to all the sodium I'm consuming from these ramen noodles. But today I'm going to show you how to spruce up a classic Korean barbecue from Maru-chan. And we're going to spice it up with a little bit of Clover Valley soy sauce. Total retail value, $1. Very nice. And the Maru-chan Yakisoba Korean barbecue. Total retail value, 89 cents. We will be doing all this and more. And as always, namaste.
Namaste. Never microwave your ramen. Only villains do that. Pro tip: for your water to boil faster, wait till the water comes out of the tap hot. Thus, it takes less time to boil your water. What you're gonna want to do is put some water in a pot. Take your ramen, set it in there. I like a real brothy ramen. So I'm gonna add more water. I like a real brothy ramen. And I know what you're thinking. No, he didn't. Yes, he did. Poached egg. Namaste.
Another episode of Beast from the East. Fuck. What's up, guys? It's another episode of Beast from the East.
Never microwave your ramen. Only villains do that. What you're gonna want to do is put some water in a pot. Take your ramen, set it in there. I like a real brothy ramen. I'm gonna add more water. I like a real brothy ramen. And I know what you're thinking. No, he didn't. Yes, he did. Poached egg. Namaste.